Hello friends, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to detail a toolbox. So remember when I told you my dad said that the dust doesn't collect on the cars when I do a rinseless wash on them? Well, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to use a rinseless wash on his toolbox. It's his toolbox, but it's kind of like mine too because I get into it and get all the tools out. But let's go take a look at it. I just got done pulling it out. There it is. And it's definitely dusty. Look at that. Look at that. So he says that the dust doesn't collect on there on the cars when we do a rinseless wash. So he wants me to rinseless wash his toolbox. Look at that. I think the dust will collect, but it will definitely be easier to keep it clean. So let's get started. So we're going to use the DIY Detail Rinseless Wash to do the toolbox. I can't wait. I mean, we won't see the results right away, but hey, you know it's going to be good results. First things first, we're going to blow it off. Well, that took me about 5 minutes. Got it all done. It's looking good. All that dust is off of there. And that rinseless wash will keep a film on it that will keep it maintained and clean. And it feels better, by the way, because when I first started it, you could feel like a gunky feel on it, and now it's really nice and smooth. So there you go, friends. It's actually something different, but you know what, the rinseless is going to make it better in the long run, the upkeep and all of that, because this is a pretty important box to him. Then I think we should give it a try. I mean, rinseless should not be limited to vehicles only. And it's designed to take care of the paint on a car, right? Painted surface. Got me? So anyway, give it a try. Maybe you got the Toolbox. I know there's a whole bunch of men in the detailing industry, so maybe you can clean up your Toolbox with some Rinseless Wash. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, guys. I sure do appreciate it. Smash that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And until the next video, which is right there. It's a big job, but we're going to get her done. We'll see you later.